in Singapore. Kanina pa kami gising. Wala pang alas 7, gising na kami. Kasi si Arlo, it's not Indy this time. Si Arlo yung nauna. Nagising siya. Ang saya-saya niya nagising. Nagising na din si Indy. So, yeah. What? Give you what?
You said a maid.
Oh yeah, I'm getting ready to get it. Let me get ready first. We have to go out to get it. Kailangan natin meron naman silang kape dito actually. Pero may nakita kasi akong Starbucks kahapon na malapit lang. So sabi ko, ay mag-Starbucks tayo. Tingnan nyo to. Nandito ang aking skincare, lip balm at makeup for Singapore. Yung ibang makeup ko nasa luggage namin na diretso na sa Pinas. So yung dala-dala lang talaga namin sa Singapore is yung aming hand carry. And then, yung mga personal bags namin. Kasi yung checked-in luggage namin, pinadiretso na namin sa Pinas. So, nung nag-check-in kami sa Adelaide kahapon, because of the really long layover, hindi sana siya diretso sa Pinas. So, kinailangan pa nila kasi kasuhin yun. Kinailangan pa nilang iset na madiretso sa Philippines yung baggage. Kung hindi...
What am I gonna wear?
Oh my gosh, you're wearing that. This is what you're wearing today.
What
This is
do-
your dress at Indy. See?
What do I wear?
Yeah, the same one. Is this the
Ah!
Yeah, it's the right one.
Daddy!
Alright, what's up? Gising na ang lahat. Ay, si Indy talaga. Ano nga ulit yung sinasabi ko? Guys, alam niyo na naman itong vlog ko. Wala na tayong matinong masabi kasi may mga bata. Lagi talaga tayo na-interrupt. I think sa luggage. So, buti na lang, chinek ni Kuya at tinanong nila kami. Kasi self-check-in na, diba? Usually, wala na talagang tumutulong sa'yo. Nandun lang sila kapag may nag-error sa system. Pero Singapore Airlines is really good. So, si Kuya, nagpunta siya dun. Sabi niya, may connecting flight kayo, diba? Sabi ko, yeah, papunta pa kaming Philippines. Tapos sabi niya, hala, hindi to diretso kasi ang haba ng layover niyo. Pero I will check. Sabi niya, parang aayusin niya daw. Gusto, ipapadiretso niya daw yung luggage namin. Kasi can you imagine kung kukunin pa namin yung luggage, dadalhin pa namin dito sa hotel, ano na siya, mahirap na siya. Tapos hindi naman yun namin gagamitin kasi nga nakapack na ako ng pang dito. So, inayos nila. Pinadiretso nila yung aming luggage papuntang Cebu. So, sa ngayon, hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung luggage namin. Nandun lang siya sa airport siguro. Chilling. Sana lang huwag tayong magka-problema and dumiretso talaga yun dun. Kasi last uwi natin ng Pilipinas, yung luggage was naiwan. So, kinailangan pa ipa-deliver sa amin. Alam mo yun, napaka-ano lang, inconvenience lang. Sana walang maiwan. But anyway, we are getting ready for the day. Mag-aaway na naman yung dalawa. Kakagising lang ni Ayla eh. Siya yung kakagising lang. Si Arlo yung sobrang nauna. Ang aga-aga, wala pang 7. Tapos si Indy na din. Parang nasi-straight ko yung buko ko. Saglit lang naman. Parang wala ding point kasi mag-ano kami mamaya. Mag-water park. Pero tsaka kasi siyang ganito. Asa na yung ano ko blush? Here. So, yun lang yung dala ko talaga. Blush, CC cream from Purito or BB cream ba yun? Sunscreen, itong brush. Yun lang yung nandito. Tapos nagkasya din dito yung aking popo at saka yung sipuri ko din pala. So, ito yung pinili ko kasi flat lang. Hindi siya nakakakuha ng malaking space. Sa luggage. Alright, come in. Come in. Hello. Miss mo naman ako agad. Na-miss naman ako agad ng aking DR. Close the door. Okay. It's just Mommy and Dee today. Gaaway na naman yung mga kapatid mo. Nandito pa yung pinakapanganay na pinaka-grabe, pinaka-makulit, pinaka-mapang-asar sa lahat. Nakakaloka. Mas dapat pagalitan si Dan kaysa sa mga bata doon kasi peaceful sila pero ginugulo niya ang kanilang buhay. Itong si daddy natin, iwan ko na lang talaga. Say, good morning! I wanna have coffee! I wanna have coffee! Sige na, pastritin mo yung buhok ko. Sige na. Did you find your hair tie, Ayla? Did you find your hair tie, Bob? Walang PowerPoint dito. Pakagaling, walang PowerPoint. Oh, dito sa hotel na to, walang lotion, walang, alam mo yun, walang maliit na suklay. Yun yung hindi ko dinala kasi sabi ko, meron yan, wala. So, kagabi, bumalik pa si Dan sa shops para bumili na suklay at saka lotion.
I know the hot chocolate.
Huh? Yeah.
Mommy, can I show you why?
Yes, please.
Because I know where the fruit is.
You know where it is?
Me too.
Looks good. Good morning.
Warming up, that's good.
Yeah, dang, it's warm. Do you need your hat bag? No? It's nice around here. Yan. Kasi shade. Oh, nice. Medyo windy. Ang galing, Ayla, ha? Well done, Bob.
Hug, I'll turn around.
Hug. Good morning, Dee. Did you bring her shoes? Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
One, Ayla.
Thank
Press it
you,
hard.
and then do
Yeah,
it
hard.
open.
Harder, yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
Thank you,
Are you the
Ate.
boss today, Ali?
I'm the boss of the day.
The boss of the day.
You know where to go?
Why did he bring his backpack?
Who knows? That's okay.
I feel it.
I know. You're a traveler, aren't you, Alo? Huh?
Thank you. Thank you.
Galing na Ayla, oh. You look pretty, Baba. Nakadress yan siya kanina. Nagpalit kasi meron kaming gymnastics room na nakita kahapon. Puntahan namin. Laruin namin to. You look so guwapo. I love your outfit, Alo. Kasi yung last day niya ng gymnastics kahapon sana, syempre biyahe na kami kahapon. So, hindi niya na-attenan. Tapos kahapon, naglakad-lakad kami doon. Meron kami nakitang gymnastics room. Pwede kang pumunta doon ng, pwede 30 minutes or 45 minutes basta. 30 minutes lang siguro.
Mama.
Hindi pa open ata yung water park or...
Mama.
Unicorn?
Yeah.
That's a horse, babe. See?
Oh,
He's here, yeah.
how did you move there?
He moved, yeah. He can walk.
That's four.
Tayo na talagang apakaaga.
That's a fast. Horse. Horse. I love you, horse.
Oh, it's coming for you, Ali.
What's
Oh, you want salad? You want salad?
Oh no, he wants Indy. Ito gusto ng gala. Pumupunta siya sa pram niya, pumapatong na siya, tapos sabi niya tara na. Kagabi ganun din siya. So di ba sabi ko sa inyo kailangan bumalik ni Dan sa shops kasi nga walang suklay, tapos wala ding lotion. Yung importante, yung suklay talaga. Tapos pinasabay ko na lang din yung lotion kasi ang awkward sa feeling wala akong lotion. So sumama siya. Pumunta talaga siya sa pram at sumama siya. Sabi niya na bait-bait niya daw. Nasa pram lang siya the whole time. Gusto niya lang talaga maglakad-lakad at mag-explore. Parang close pa talaga siya, guys. Baka 9 mag-o-open. Alright, careful. Daming mga ganito dito.
I did it. Why be careful?
Yeah, so konting lakad lang. Nandyan na yung mall. Tapos sabi ko kahapon gustong-gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya ganoon ka-busy. Naging busy daw siya nung pumunta si Dan sa gabi. But also, it's Christmas season. Dinner time na din. Tas Sabado pa kahapon. Pero nung nagpunta kami ng mga alas 4 to ano kami din eh. Parang 4 to 6:30. Hindi talaga busy at all. So yan yun, pero close pa ata. Galaxy Gymnastics. Ito yung nadaanan namin kanina. So paglabas talaga sa elevator, ikot ka lang. Ito yung isa sa unang shops na makikita
What they
mo.
got now, they got like, maybe they do gymnastics classes on these days.
Okay. So what, today is Sunday.
Saturday today, isn't it? Or Sunday.
Sunday. That one.
So we're here yesterday, weren't we?
Yeah, we were here yesterday around maybe. Yeah, it was not busy at all. It was around this time, maybe. Or something. Maybe 4 to 5, yeah. Balikan natin yun mamaya. Kasi closed pa siya. Tapos, base sa mga nababasa namin ng mga pastil doon. Ano? Classy. So, meron silang mga klase. Parang kailangan mo pang mag-register para makalaro lang doon. Alam mo yun? Or maka-attend ba ng walang class. Kasi may mga class schedule sila doon. Tapos parang puno yung schedule nila today. What do you want? Okay. Bili tayo Starbucks. May playground doon. Punta sila doon. Starbucks muna tayo. Ako, ala, ang cute ng mga staff. May ano sa ulo. Thank you. Naririnig ko ang ingay ng aking mga anak. Ayan na nga. Hello! Oh no! See, sabi ko magdala tayo sapatos. Antok na kasi siya. So akala namin hindi siya lalabas ng pram. Wait, careful. What are you doing? You want to film Indy? Alright, hold it.
Take it down with you.
Careful. Good job.
Okay, now go down with
Go,
Marla.
ate.
Go, Marla. Arlo, watch out, buddy.
Hello, watch out.
Out. Wait. Hurry.
Amawi wawi.
Mom, can I show?
Okay, go. We will. Close pa ang mga shops. Apakaaga natin. Alright, let's go eat. Dito na kami guys, sa pinaka-entrance nila. Naghanap lang kasi kami ng ATM, tapos napunta na kami dito. Tapos may wall climbing dyan. Ang ganda.
At the top.
Hinihintay namin si Arlo. Ayan. Yung whipped cream. Dinidilaan. Just drop. Don't touch. Ay, nako. Itong batang to talaga naman. And merong grocery dyan. Mas mura yan sa mga binilhan natin. Kaya naghanap kami ng ATM kasi merong bilhin si Dan nung egg tart ni ate kanina. Kaya lang wala siyang ATM. We have been using our card lang guys since kagabi. Tapos ngayon lang kami nag-withdraw na. Aalis na kami mamayang gabi. You guys want macas? You want macas too, Alo?
They got pancakes at McDonald's.
They will have different macas here. Different menu.
I want chips.
Yeah. Enjoy na enjoy lang talaga siya sa aming walking. She's very good, my love. Indy's very good. Look, she's just watching. Up there. Guys, may playground pa na maganda oh. Closed pa siya. Kasi nga, tayo na talaga. Sobrang aga dito sa mall.
I probably after eat breakfast, but where's McDonald's?
Yeah, I think we're on the McDonald's floor now. We just have to find it. We're just exploring this mall. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa din alam anong pangalan nitong mall na to. Kung
Let me see my
E Avenue? I think E Avenue. Alo, look after Indy, okay? Make sure she doesn't fall. Look at her, Alo! She loves it! That's a really cool car you chose, Isla. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Indy can sit on the back as your passenger.
But mommy, you need credit card.
Yeah, no, we're not using credit card. Sus, ang mga charges natin ito, ang dami nating maliliit na purchases. Ha?
Then why do we on it?
Ayan, dito si ate. Balikan natin si ate. Meron na tayong cash. Dito kami kanina kasi dyan kami pumasok. Tapos nakita namin to si ate. Gusto ni Dan yung egg tart. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, you don't have change?
You got $10 only, no $10 back.
No. impression. What do you say? Say hello. Gail. Thank you. Bye-bye. High five, high five. Bait ni ate. Dito kami sa Macas. Thank you, Alo. Go eat. Here, Didi. No? Pancake?
There's maple syrup.
Good job. Oopsie. No, no. So, white egg, sausage McMuffin yung kay Dan. Ay, white egg with egg. Yung akin, scrambled egg. Sabi ko ano, i-kids meal yung akin para makakuha ng to yung mga bata. What do you want? Check nila yung height nila. Ito yung para sa slide. Oh! What's that for?
Help.
Ah, no! Oh. Alo, you don't have to take it off. Don't take it off.
No,
Just stand.
you're too scared.
Oopsie.
You got that cranky racer one. You can on this one.
Try again, Ayla. Try again. Quick. Good job, Ayla. You made it. You just made it. You could, Alo. Yes, yes, Alo. Let's go. Yeah, you are. Good job.
Two adults and two kids. 1 and 2 years old.
Oh, wonderful.
3 and 5. 3 and 5.
So big.
I'm gonna pay for it. They eat their breakfast every day.
How old are you, Ayla?
5.
How about you? How old are you? Go tell her.
2.5.
3.5.
So total 4 days.
Yeah, we have one more, but she's only one. Yeah, yeah. Hmm?
$100. Card.
What you tell me, Mama?
No, I didn't say that. Daddy did.
Is he allowed to go to the great spot? Oh, Mommy said no, I can't go.
Walking kami ni D, guys, para makatulog siya and success. Natulog na nga siya, oh. So, pagkatapos namin binili yung ticket sa baba, pinauna ko na yung pamilya ko. The rest of the family sa taas, sabi ko, ilakad ko lang to para matulog siya. Kasi kapag sabay-sabay kami lahat doon, hindi to matutulog. Ang ingay-ingay ng aking pamilya talaga na Mars. That's door. Door opening. Door locked. Maingay yung white noise, guys, kasi tulog si Indy. But kanina pa to sila ready. Pinapaset nila yung kanilang sunscreen. Ready na sila.
You won't need your goggles.
What?
You won't need your I'll bring your goggles if you want. You won't be, there's no pools there.
Mommy.
Oh, there isn't.
It's just a water park. Okay.
So you wear your goggles.
Take off your hat first.
That's where your goggles. Yeah, we're gonna walk down still. See that? Guys.
Enjoy, guys. Bye. I love you. Thank you, Alo. I'll see you later, okay?
Just watch it, Mommy.
Yep. You enjoy, okay?
I just watch the
And Alo, Ayla, you listen to Daddy, okay? Don't do naughty stuff.
But can we just do this?
Yeah.
But when Daddy's around?
Yeah.
So we always need to follow Daddy. I'm lost, Mama. I was spraying my new, and you come in the water park with me.
Yes.
Thanks, Mom.
Just scream,
And then-
Mommy! Oh no, this time scream, Daddy! Okay? Say, Daddy Daniel!
When you come down, don't bring my whole wallet, but your ticket is next to my wallet.
Okay.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Daddy is
See ya.
Mommy.
Love you.
Mom, I'm ready to spam.
Love you.
Ready to spam, Mommy.
I know. You look good.
Daddy, you put toast, Mommy?
I love it.
When we wake Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Someone's awake! So, maglagay kami ng sunscreen. And then, mag-ready. And then, alis na. Sundan na natin sila. Yeah! Sunscreen first. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh no! Swimming nappy! Fudge. Wait. I think I brought you something. Where is your... Oh no! We didn't bring swimming nappy! I knew it! May nakalimutan ako! Shoot balls! You know what? It's fine. It's fine. Hindi naman yun pool. Water park lang naman siya. So mga splash dadala ng tubig. So hindi talaga siya lulubog. So okay lang. Hindi naman sobrang mag-full yung nappy niya. So we're good. We're good. We're okay, okay? We are okay! Okay na tayo. Huwag tayong mag-panic. Okay lang yan. Kahit walang nappy, swimming nappy si D. Mag-sunscreen lang tayo. And then meron akong biniling kahapon. Rash guard. Kasi si Dan, bumili siya ng rash guard sa Kmart. And nagustuhan niya guys. Sinuot niya nung nagpunta kami kina Sharon. And sabi niya, you should wear rash guard as well. Now, naghanap ako sa Kmart. Tapos wala na. Wala yung extra small na pang women. Tapos kahapon naglakad-lakad kami, may nakita kaming shop na mga pang swimming stuff yung kanilang binibenta. So ayun, nag-try ako and ito okay naman. Oh no. Yan yung brand niya, Arena. Naka 30% off din siya. So perfect. Okay naman siya. Meron siyang padding, na built-in padding, pero hindi naman siya ganun kakapal. Kasi yung swimwear ko din may padding na din eh. Buti na lang, ito na yung swimwear na dala ko. Black and white. So, matchy-matchy naman. Di ba, Bi? Alright, so ito lang yung dadalhin ko. Ito yung parang nappy bag na dala-dala lang namin for Indy. Isa to sa mga packing cube ko. Ang maganda dito, meron siyang hook. So, pwede ko siyang isabit sa pram ni Indy. So, dito, may dala akong nappies. Kasi nga, walang swimming nappy to. Mag-i-expand kasi yan kapag nalagyan ng tubig. But, I'll bring my camera. Ito na yung camera na dadalhin ko. So, iwan ko kayo. And then, yun lang. Ay, ticket ko pala. Asa yung ticket ko? So, $25 yung nabayaran namin. May discount sana, sabi ni ate dun sa baba. Kasi nagpunta kami sa baba, nagtanong kami dun. Tapos sabi niya, meron din sa taas, dun sa malapit sa reception ng hotel nyo. And because nagsistay kayo dun, meron kayong discount. Pagpunta namin dun, nag-joke pa si Dana. 2 si Ayla, 1 si Arlo. Nakalimutan niya sabihin na nagsistay kami dito. So, wala kami nakuhang discount. Pero meron sana. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano. I think 25% yung sabi ni ate. Hindi namin nakuha, sayang. Pero yeah, if you're staying sa D Resort, you will get a discount to access the water park. If you're not staying sa D Resort, $25 per person siya. Free siya for below 3. 3 and above na mga bata, may bayad na siya. $25 na siya. So, si Arlo at si Ayla, obviously may bayad. Si Indy lang yung wala. I'll just bring my phone. Should I bring my phone? I don't know. Towels. Nagdala ba si Danny ng towel? Pasok na kami. Let's look for them. Asa na kaya ayun sila? Yeah! Are you ready? Where's Dada? Ang saya-saya niya, guys. Where's Daddy? Good luck, kapakalaki. Let's wait, Alo. Okay. Go swim underwater.
For the grown-up phase, we're one best friend. It was easy going wrong. Life was anything but fair, but somehow we didn't. We saw all the movies on a big screen when we couldn't afford to pay the price. We snuck in through the back, hearts racing as the lights went black. Hold up, when did we grow up? When did dreams give way to plans? Wonder slipped through our hands just to love.
Guys, update sa aming buhay. It is 5:46 na ng hapon. So, kanina after namin nagpunta dun sa water park, bumalik kami dito. Alam niyo ba ginawa namin? Nag-relax kami saglit. Nag-transfer ako ng mga files. Tapos bumalik sila. Pero kami ni Dee, ay natulog kami ni Dee. Natulog kami ni Dee. Tingnan niyo ang happy-happy niyan. Natulog kaming dalawa. Pagod na pagod ako, guys. Wala pa akong matinong tulog. So, natulog kaming dalawa hanggang sa nakabalik sila. So, as in, natulog lang talaga kami. Nakabalik na sila. And then, nagbihis na yung mga bata. And pinatulog ko na habang umalis si Daddy kanina para bumili ng pagkain. So, now, we are having... Nagpunta siya ng Pizza Hut. Bumili siya garlic bread. And then, ito yung binili niya. Cheesy pizza. Looks good, no? Tapos, cheese dip. And then, ito masarap to. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Para siyang fries, diba? Pero it's chicken. So, baka chicken fries talaga siya. Sabi ko, isave para sa mga bata mamaya. Try nga natin tong pa-cheese puff. Kain tayo. Makain din sila hindi. That's yum. With the cheese, really good. Hello! Can I borrow? Yeah, mommy borrow? Hi guys! It is 8:05 ng gabi. Alis kami dito siguro mga in an hour. Blow-dry ko yung buhok ko. Now, let us... Ay, kailangan ko pala to dun gawin kasi walang ano dito, PowerPoint. Wala silang PowerPoint dito. Okay, unahin ko na lang yung aking pagmumuka. Wait sa... yung mga bata, tapos na maligo. Kumakain na sila ngayon, yung binili ni Dan kanina. Here, stay here, okay? Nakapag-skincare na ako kasi may dala din ako mga skincare na mga mini eh. So now, mag-ano lang tayo, blush tayong konti. Wait sa. So ito yung dala ko, BB cream pala siya. Yung Sika Clearing BB cream. Hello. Go to daddy. Yeah. So, mahaba-haba din yung tulog nila, guys. Tapos, alam nyo ba, nakapag-edit pa ako. Ay, ang galing talaga. Ang galing mo talaga, Ray. Ito na yung outfit natin. This is from Zara. And I think this is from Sports Girl. Puro linen. And si Dan pa yung nag-ano nito, guys, nag-iron. So, na-iron na to, pero ganyan talaga. Basta linen gusutin. Kaya habang naliligo kami ng mga bata kanina, siya yung nagplansya ng akin.
What is that? It's the
Okay. Darating kami sa Pinas 1:30. So, madaling araw na talaga. That's why I made sure kanina na makatulog yung mga bata. So, right now, I think they're fine. I'm not really thinking about Indy because Indy, kakagahin ko lang siya, ilalagay ko lang siya sa pram. So far, she's been amazing. She's been amazing sa flight natin kahapon. She was really good. Like, yeah, normal na baby pero hindi siya extra clingy or extra, like, alam mo yun, walang matinding meltdown. Wala talaga from Indy. So, hindi ako nag-worry sa kanya talaga. Yung dalawa, kasi kapag pagod sila, mahirap. Kasi hindi namin sila makarga. Hindi namin sila kayang kargahin. Wala din kaming pram para sa kanila. Alam mo yun, so dapat meron silang energy. Dapat okay sila kasi they need to walk. And last time kasi, na may flight kaming ganito, it was not good. Dalawa lang sila nun ha, silang dalawa. They were very tired. As in, sobrang pagod na pagod sila. Nakatulog sila sa plane. Kaya lang, kailangan namin silang gisingin kasi dumating na kami. And yeah, pagising nila, karga-karga ko si Arlo. Tapos, I think Ayla was on the pram. It was very hard. Na-vlog ko yun. It was very hard. Pagdating namin doon, ang haba pa ng pila. Tapos, yung wala pa kami nung yung sa e-travel, hindi ko siya nagawa. So, pagdating namin doon, ngarag, kailangan pa namin siyang gawin habang karga-karga kasi Arlo. Basta, that's why, nung pinalitan ng Singapore Airlines yung flight namin sa ganitong oras, sabi ko talaga, my gosh, naalala ko talaga yung mahirap na pinagdaanan namin. Kasi hindi mo makakalimutan, hindi ko yun makakalimutan.
Mommy, can I show the guy that have a bird face?
Oh, yeah. She wants to show you guys. Yeah, they will see it better tomorrow in under natural lighting.
In the
So
Philippines.
red. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see? Ang pula-pula ng kanyang mukha. They can't really tell. Maybe if I turn on the light, I don't know. Here, try here.
Okay.
Hindi kita sa camera ng ayos na sobrang pula ng mukha niya. No, they can't really tell, Bob.
It's a bit healed because the water.
Okay.
So that means.
Okay.
So when Indy's legs are burnt or anything, or like face or ear, I will need to put water in it. But I will need to put ear in it.
Yeah, no water in your ear now.
No, I mean like we do this and then we put some water in
Okay. Yeah. Alright.
to block it. Not well, but when she's 6, we can just do this and then she can just do that.
Yeah.
But when I'm 6, how old is?
When she's 6, you're gonna be 11.
Oh, so that means I will know what to do.
I love you.
Indy.
Jesus, kamot.
So remember
Kamot ako
you
hindi.
blow. Oh, she was just blowing on my feet.
Yeah.
I just don't.
Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na naman yung kwento ko. Na-interrupt na naman ako ng aking beautiful
Can
kids.
I try that?
It's just a brush. Nothing in there. That's it. Alright, come on. Alright, that's it. Wala nang natira dito. Ito pala yung brush na binili din sa Watsons. Okay naman siya. Ni-expect ko sana yung flat para madali lang i-pack. But yun yung binili ni Daddy. That's okay. Alright, okay na tayo dito. Ito na lang. So, gawin ko siya doon. Kasi wala nga PowerPoint dito. Tapos, walang salamin doon. So, yung gagamitin ko is yung aking phone. Anyway, i-close ko na tong vlog na to guys. Kasi inedit ko to kanina. Itong vlog na to inedit ko kanina. And mahaba na siya. So, siguro mga 30 plus na to. Tomorrow's vlog will be separate. So, yung flight namin mamaya and yung pag-uwi natin ng Pinas will be a separate vlog. Kasi, yun din naman, yung dating natin is 1:30 na nga, 1:30 na nga. Tapos, baggage claim pa. Hindi ko na alam kung anong oras tayo makakalabas ng airport nito. But, so yeah, magsistay kami sa city. Yun na yung vlog namin. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa Singapore. Tomorrow's vlog will be us in the Philippines. Finally! Finally. Thank you guys. Bye. See you.